In the previous video, I explained the first program. In this video, I will explain the second program. Now, this is the first output, the inner loop, J loop. This J loop is for your number of space. This is for I equal to 1 to 5 means this is number of rows, while I equal to 1, J will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it will move 5 times. This loop will execute 5 times when I equal to 1. Value of J will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So there will be 5 space before first row. When I equal to 2, J loop will execute 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 times. This space will be here 4 times, 4 space. When I, value of I is 3, J will be 3, 4, 5. Means it will execute 3 times. So there will be 3 space. This is 5 space, 4 space, 3 space, then 4 space, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 space. When value of I is here 5, the J will be 5 and less than equal to 5, so there will be only one time. The J loop will execute only one time, so there will be only one space. So this is for space and this is for your elements, this element number. So when value of I is 1, value of J is 1 to I means 1 to 1, that means only 1. This is. When value of I is 2, value of J is 1, J less than equal to 2 means it will execute 2 times and it will print J. J means first time it will print 1 then 2. First time it will print 1 then 2. When value of I is 3, value of J is 1 and J less than equal to 3 means value of J, first time value of J will be 1, it will print 1, then value of J will be 2, it will print 2, then value of J will be 3, it will print 3 in a line. Okay. Similarly, when value of I is 5, the value of J will be 1 and J less than equal to 5 means first time value of J will be 1, it will print 1, then value of J is 2, it will print 2, then 3, 4, 5, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we put here space, see this pattern, if we put here space and between every 2 elements there is space, if we put space between 2 elements then it will be like this. See, if we put here space, then here space and here space, here space and here space and here space. Okay, between 2 elements if we put space then this will be like this. Means before each element you see J plus space. J plus space means here first time J is here 1, then here space. Next time, next iteration of I, J will be, first value of J will be 1, then again here space, then 2, here space. Here 1 space, 2, here right space. Then when value of I is 3, J will be 1, then space, then 2 space, then 3 space. Okay. Here when we put here space, there will be space between the numbers. So it will look like this. Okay. Clear? This is your without space and this is your space. Space between the elements. So print J plus space.